This is the Sony A7 Mark V, and today I'll do a quick unboxing and explain why this might be the real upgrade from the Sony A7 Mark IV. Let's be real, is this just a hype or just a real upgrade? Inside the box, nothing's crazy. Camera body, battery and strap, and paperwork. Sony keep it simple. But once you hold it, yeah, it already feels like a serious performance camera. The body looks familiar but isn't about design. The real upgrade is inside. This is not a megapixel upgrade, this is a speed and performance upgrade. First big reason is the stock sensor. The A7 V has it. The A7 IV does not. This means faster readout, less rolling shutter, and smoother performance for both photo and video. This alone changed how the camera feels. With the Sony A7 V, you get the zero blackout viewfinder. When shooting bursts, you don't lose sight of your subject. This is a huge for action, events, and street photography. This one is underrated, pre-shooting buffer. The camera can record moments before you fully press the shutter. If you shoot fast and incredible subject, this is the game changer. The A7 V shoots up to 30 frames per second and the A7 IV tops up for 10 frames per second. That's not a small upgrade, that's 3 times faster. In body stabilization is better too. The A7 V goes up to 7.5 stops compared to 5.5 stops on the A7 IV. For handheld shooting, low light, and vlogging, this really matters. The A7 V also get pixel shift high resolution mode up to 199 megapixel. If you do products, landscape, or studio work, this is serious bonus. Bigger screen and sharper LCD, faster USB speed, and better autofocus intelligence. It's not flashy but improves your daily workflow. So who's this camera really for? If you shoot action, sports, wildlife events, or hybrid content, the A7 V actually makes sense. But if you're happy with your A7 IV and shoot mostly slow, plays, and content, you don't need to upgrade. The Sony A7 V is not about better image quality, it's about speed, intelligence, and performance. If that matters to your work, this is a real upgrade. I don't chase specs, I chase what actually works in a real life. And for shooters who need speed and reliability, the A7 V makes a lot of sense. Let me know what you're shooting with, and I'll see you in the next vlog. But don't forget to like and subscribe.